Imagine this. The ground beneath your feet begins to shake violently. You run outside, believing you have survived the worst. And then just 39 seconds later, an even stronger earthquake strikes. That's exactly what happened in Venezuela. On June 24, the South American nation was hit by not one, but two massive earthquakes measuring 7.2 and 7.5. Scientists have a name for this rare phenomenon. They call it an earthquake doublet. But here's the biggest question. How can the Earth produce two giant earthquakes in just 39 seconds apart? Believe it or not, Venezuela isn't the first country to witness this. In February 2023, Turkey and Syria were devastated by two massive earthquakes measuring 7.8 and 7.5. The second earthquake struck about 9 hours after the first. Together, they claimed more than 59,000 lives. Scientists later concluded this wasn't simply one earthquake followed by routine aftershock. It was a doublet. Two major earthquakes, two separate ruptures, one devastating sequence. But Venezuela's case was even more unusual because instead of 9 hours, its second earthquake arrived in just 39 seconds. So how is that even possible? Well, think of bending a dry wooden stick. For a while it bends, pressure keeps building, and eventually one end snaps. Normally that's the end. Earthquakes usually work the same way. Pressure builds underground over years, sometimes even decades. And when it becomes too much, a fault ruptures. The ground shakes, the energy is released and everything settles. But sometimes, the first rupture doesn't release all the stored energy. Instead, it transfers enormous stress to the another nearby section of the same fault. The second section then breaks almost immediately, creating another powerful earthquake. That's what seismologists call an earthquake doublet. Venezuela sits where the Caribbean plate and the South American plate constantly grind against each other. That moment builds pressure underground year and after year. Usually, the pressure escapes through a single rupture, but this time, it escaped through two. The first earthquake weakened buildings, roads, and bridges. Walls cracked, foundations shifted. People rushed outside. But before rescue teams could even respond, the stronger 7.5 magnitude earthquake struck. Those 39 seconds made all the difference. Buildings that survived the first shock simply couldn't survive the second. That's why earthquake doublets are often far more destructive than a single major quake. The impact has been severe. Venezuela has declared the state of emergency. Schools were closed and Simon Bolivar International Airport suspended operations after suffering damage. Search and rescue operations continue searching for survivors beneath collapsed buildings. Officials say the death toll and the number of the injuries could still rise as rescue operations continue. The United States has offered humanitarian assistance, while Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed condolences and solidarity with the Venezuelan people. Most earthquakes tell one story. They strike, they end, and recovery begins. But Venezuela's story was different. The first earthquake wasn't the end, it was only the beginning. Because sometimes the most dangerous earthquake is the one that follows. This was Ritu and you were watching DNA Explained.